everyone. Welcome to my channel, your quick market update. Today, Nifty closed around 25,870. The key resistance levels are 26,000 and 2600. That will be the first hurdle, and 26,300 and 26,400 will be the next barrier. 26,500 will be showing a strong resistance. Now we will move to the support areas. Support areas will be 25,600 to 25,400 will be an immediate support to the Nifty. 25,300 to 25,400 will be the next support, and 25,900 to 25,000 will show a strong lower support. Keep an eye on these levels tomorrow. They can guide you on taking the option trades. If you like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily updates.